Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best wood chippers you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best wood chippers in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Sunjo CJ603E electric wood chipper. Sunjo's 15 amp electric chipper delivers continuous shredding power via an extension cord or a nearby outlet. A 15 amp motor provides the necessary energy to the capable blades for chipping, mulching, and shredding. Despite weighing only 38.6 pounds, this compact electric wood chipper packs a punch and has a reduction ratio of 21:1. To help reduce the risk of injury, a built-in safety mechanism automatically stops the motor when the hopper is open. Sunjo's chipper is one of the best for those who want to avoid the harmful fumes of a gas model. Keep in mind that the small unit can only hold material with a diameter of 1.7 inches. Easy to assemble and virtually maintenance-free, this powerful electric wood chipper is ready to go when you are. And with its built-in safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened, you'll feel at ease shredding your lawn debris. Clean up your yard, enrich your garden and go with Joe. Eco-friendly with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. For details, let's watch more. Our second best wood chippers is Earthwise GS70015 corded electric chipper. Every gardener understands the value of adding compost to the soil. It promotes plant growth by increasing the flow of air, water, and nutrients to the plant's roots. Compost ingredients are plentiful and free in the yard, but they must first be shredded. Gardeners who want to start composting will appreciate the Earthwise electric chipper. The chipper includes a 10.5-gallon collection bin for catching shredded material and transporting it to a compost bin or pile. Using the tamper tool, simply feed leaves and twigs into the hopper. For faster feeding, the hopper opening is wider than on other models. However, because the chipper is not particularly powerful, the reduction rate is only 10:1, resulting in larger pieces of wood and leaves that may not be appealing as mulch but are still suitable for composting. Powerful mulcher chipper with a 15 amp electric motor to shred branches up to 1.75 inch thick. Shoot and tamper tool to keep your hands free and safe from the corded electric chipper shredder. Electric mulcher that is easy to clean with a huge 1.2 bushel collection bin. Portable electric mulcher design with rear wheels. Earthwise power tools by ALM garden mulcher material type is aluminum, metal, plastic, power. Third pick in our list is Sunjo CJ601E electric wood chipper. Sunjo's 14 amp electric wood chipper or shredder is ideal for making the most of a fallen branch or limb in a small yard. This low-cost small wood chipper is powered by an electric motor that spins at speeds of up to 4,300 RPMs. It takes up little space in the garage, shed, or workshop. Simply place it in a corner and set it aside. The budget chipper cuts up to 1.5 inch thick sticks and limbs and produces usable mulch for your garden or yard. This light-duty chipper, on the other hand, will not clear fallen trees or perform heavy landscaping work. Chipper Joe generates speeds of up to 4,300 revolutions per minute, making quick work out of the brush, leaves and branches crowding your lawn. Chipper Joe effectively chips and shreds wooden sticks and limbs up to 1.5 inches thick. Quickly turn your yard debris into nutrient-rich garden mulch and do your part to reduce, reuse and recycle with the Sun Joe Chipper Joe Electric Chipper Shredder. The minimized wood chips are perfect for use as garden mulch around your trees and flower beds. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is Landworks Wood Chipper Shredder. The Landworks Wood Chipper Shredder 7 horsepower is an excellent residential wood chipper. Its extra large capacity can handle most yard waste, including sticks, twigs, branches, and other vegetation with diameters up to 3 inches. At a reduction ratio of 15:1, the 7 horsepower engine produces up to 8.1 feet-to-pounds of torque to shred, chip, and mulch. The chipper's 99.8 pound weight is made easier to transport by built-in wheels. Users must simply ensure that it is turned on in an area with adequate lighting and ventilation. Then, simply insert the blunt end of the material into the hopper and let the auto feed function pull the piece the rest of the way through safely. Built to be compact and lighter than other steel chippers, this design has a highly desirable vertical extended discharge chute with adjustable discharge guide to deliver accurate debris discharge, with an angled range of 90 degrees to 145 degrees. This chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 horsepower horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine, handles up to 3-inch diameter wood without a problem. Last in our best wood chippers list is SuperHandy wood chipper. The in-trade-in SuperHandy Ultra Duty 7 horsepower gas wood chipper cuts up to 1.5-inch thick sticks and limbs and produces usable mulch for your garden or yard. The main feed chute can handle material with a diameter of up to 3 inches. In the event of flying wood chips, an auto feed function begins pulling material through, allowing users to stand at a safe distance. SuperHandy has a 7 horsepower engine with a reduction ratio of 15:1 that produces up to 8.1 feet-to-pounds of torque for chipping and mulching. A shredding chute is included to handle leaves, twigs, and other vegetation. The gas-powered wood chipper weighs 120.7 pounds and comes with wheels for easy transport. The slanted housing design reduces jams. Unlike other chippers, hook up your ATV, lawnmower small tractor, for easy transportation with a tow bar kit and use the vacuum inlet for easy leaf mulching with a vacuum kit. This chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 horsepower horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine, handles up to 3-inch diameter wood without a problem. Always operate according to directions outlined in the user manual, always wear the appropriate hand and eye protection.